if you dare in this area. It seems to be the feeling in one South Florida community. People who live there in this area say that they can't get around their neighborhood without having to dodge cars in the process.
The area is especially difficult for older residents to get through. Local 10 Sasha Andrade joins us live now from that dangerous road, at least residents are calling it that, to tell us more. Good morning, Sasha.
Good morning, Jen. Just to give you an idea of where I'm at, we are just east of the Palmetto between Southwest 8th Street and Flagler. And take a look at what happens. The sidewalk literally ends. Pedestrians are forced almost into traffic in order to pass. Now, this community, like you mentioned, is filled with a lot of senior citizens. Many of them travel on wheelchairs, and they are fed up with this. For 3 years, they have been asking the city of Miami to simply pave this spot, and they're still waiting.
As you can see on the sidewalk, it breaks here, it ends here. There is no way for anyone on a wheelchair or with a cane to go across.
In a city where we've had 4 department directors of the department that's in charge of actually executing that task, it's been a frustration of mine for the last 3 years.
City officials say this is an easy fix, so why hasn't it been done? Well, that's the big question around here, and residents hope it doesn't take a tragedy to make people pay attention. We'll have much more on this story coming up at 6 o'clock. Jen, Jason, back to you.